Hi everyone, this is Pasetta again from Create and Elevate. And what I'll be showing you today is how you can create your Amazon Associate Program account. So this is one way in which Amazon allows us to do affiliate marketing, okay, using Amazon. This is the Amazon Associate Program. So in this video, I'll be showing you how is it that you can go about creating your Amazon Associate account. This is entirely free. All you need is to create your Amazon account if you have never created one before, or you can sign up using your existing Amazon account, but you need to have an Amazon account, all right? So the first thing is, let me share my screen and then I can take you through that process. So I had done a pre-recording of what is it that you need to do, okay? So here, the first thing is that you need to bring up your browser, whether you're using your mobile or you're using a computer, that is perfectly fine. You just need to be able to access the browser and type in Amazon.com. Now, depending on the status of the browser that you are using, you may be required to enter special characters to continue the process. All right. If not, you can skip this step. It won't take long. It's like a couple seconds. All right. So you follow on-screen commands here, and then you'll be able to continue shopping. So in our case, now I am on the Amazon website. All right, so for here, I am actually based in Jamaica, so it is saying free international delivery, but we're not focusing on that right now. What we are focusing on is the ability to set up our account for the Amazon Associate Program. So in the search box, as you are seeing, you type Amazon Associates Program and press enter, or you click on the magnifying button here. It is similar to enter, and it will actually take you to the search that it found. All right, so once it is found, it actually is showing you now Amazon Associates at the top. This is actually the link to the program. So once you click on that link, it will take you to that page for you to start the sign up process. All right, so just be sure, guys, to remember to read. It is important to read that you understand what it is that Amazon has in terms of the different restrictions and so on. One of the restrictions is if it is that you are signing up for Amazon Associates program, it is restricted to the countries in which you are signing up. So Amazon Associates for the US is different from Amazon UK, different from Amazon Canada, okay? So we are signing up for the Amazon US one, which is strictly Amazon.com. Now you would click on the sign up button and you basically follow the instructions that Amazon will require of you. So the first thing is you click on sign up, then you recommend. So this is about the program. You sign up and get approval. Then you basically recommend the products via a link. The person clicks on the link, places an order, pays for that order, you get your commission. That's how it works. All right. So this is what this page is about. You basically can earn up to 10% commission as it mentions, and this is varying. So to sign up, you need to enter your email address. You basically need to sign up by creating your account if none, or you enter your email address to log into. So I'm going to show you the process now where I actually already have an account with Amazon, and I am going to continue that process here. It's really, really simple, guys, in terms of how you are able to access the program with us in Jamaica. If it asks for like SSN or one of those identifications, you can use our TRN. Just make sure that you are inputting the correct information in the form so that we don't have any issues. All right. Any questions you have, please reach out to me and I'll be sure to answer those questions. So here, this is how the program works now. Okay. So once you have been approved, When you log back into Amazon, at the top of the page, you will see something that says Influencers and Associates Site Stripe at the top. And to the right of it, you will see Get Link. So this is how you actually get access or get the link that you can share with people for them to purchase the item on Amazon, and you can get your commission. Right? So it's very simple. So this is the link right here. So let's say I want to share the link for this specific item. I would click on the item in Amazon and then click on the link or the button at the top right hand side that says get link. You click on the item and then click on get link. Once you do that, it will now show you what it is that link is, and you can copy it and paste it wherever it is that you are sharing that link, whether it be on Instagram, on TikTok, if it is on Pinterest, or even your WhatsApp, you can actually share that link. Once the purchase is made, you will be now start earning your commission. Of course, when you have gotten up to a certain amount, because I think there is a minimum. I'm not sure if it is $100. And remember, the payment is in US dollars. So, of course, you'll be earning in US currency. So, here is another item that I have. And if I want to share it, I will basically just copy the link at the top of the page as well, just to point. So this is the link, but at the top, it shows you for that specific item how much commission percent you earn. So depending on the category of item, in terms of where the item is categorized, how is it categorized, like home and garden. In this case, this is the notebooks or children books or books. The category is books and the textbooks. So the commission is 4.5%. So this is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. It will require some work on your side. It's just that it is a side hustle, as I mentioned, where you do not need to be investing any money. So no financial investment. Just if you have a couple extra time that you can spend to interact with your people that you're already interacting with and earn some money while doing that. All right. And that is it for now. Reach out to me if you need step-by-step guidance. I also have the step-by-step guide. Feel free to reach out to me, guys, if you're unsure, if you need additional assistance, and I will be sure to assist you. You can access this guide on my website, newsyoucanuse.net. That is NEWS, letter U, CANUSE.net. I'll type it in the description below, but you can actually access my website where I share information like this so that you can access. All right? Have a great rest of your day.